Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
If you don't accept the injunction in the Shastra, especially when Krishna, the Supreme Lord, is instructing in the Bhagavad Gita, that is the essence of all Shastra. You take that, then you'll be happy. Otherwise not. So here it is said that Bhagavan, the sinful man, cannot be purified by simply this ritualistic ceremonies, atonement, or keeping some vows, vrata. Then how it is possible? Because everyone says, Jatha Hare Nama. Therefore it is a commandment. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Iva Keva. Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva. The same thing. You will never find the injunction of the Shastra contradicted. In the Agni Puran it is said, and in the Srimad Bhagavad also the same thing. Agni Puran says, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Iva Kevalam. And here in the Srimad Bhagavatam it is said, Jatha Hare Nama, Padai Gudavitri. Uttama Shloka Gunopalam. Hare Nama means chanting of the holy name. That is simple. But when you chant Hare Nama, then you gradually understand what is Hari, what is his form, what is his qualities, what is his activities. Then you can understand. Because without Hare Nama, your heart is dirty. Chetadarpana marga. Unless your heart is clean, you cannot understand what is Hari, what is his name, what is his form, what is his quality, what are his activities. You cannot understand. Atasya Krishna Namadi na bhaved graham indriya. Your blunt nonsense senses, if you utilize, you cannot understand Krishna. Therefore people are not understanding Krishna, neither they are understanding the value of Harinam, because their senses are blunt, contaminated with these my qualities. They cannot understand. But this is the only way. Chetadarpanamarjanam, bhava mahadavandi nibbhava. Because we have to purify. This is the only method. Chant Hare Krishna. Then you will gradually purify. Punnat sabana kirtana. Punnat sabana kirtana. Sinnatam sakata Krishna. Punnat sabana kirtana. If you hear, if you chant about Krishna, uttama sloka, as it is said, jad uttama sloka gunopalambhaka. So many benefits are there. So the Hare Krishna movement is so important that everyone should take it very seriously. Sada kirtaniya sada sinadaki sunitena taroruki sahisnana amanina manadena kirtaniya sada. This is the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then typically this padam is just vipada. In this material world there is only vipada. There is no sampad. Foolishly we think that I am very nice. What is nice? You have to die next moment. What is nice? But these foolish people say, yes, I am nice. You ask anybody, how are you? Yes, very nice. What is that nice? You are going to die tomorrow. It's still nice. That's all. This is why. So, it is padam. They are making scientific researches to become happy. But these rascals, they do not know how to stop death. What is the nice? But they have no brain to understand. But Krishna said, these are the problems, my dear sir. You scientists, you are trying so many things. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, Dukkha Doshanubhati. First of all, find out what is your problem. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. You have to take birth, you have to die, you have to suffer from disease, you have to become old. Stop it first of all, then talk of scientific advancement, otherwise you are nonsense. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare